Are you tired of digging through disorganized tool bags while trying to find the right tool? Today, we're showcasing the best tool bags for mechanics that combine functionality, durability, and style. These top picks feature ample storage space, sturdy construction, and easy accessibility, ensuring that all your tools are organized and ready for action. Stick around to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these must-have bags. Let's keep your workspace tidy and efficient with the best tool bags for mechanics. Rothco Mechanics Tool Bag. The Rothco Mechanics Tool Bag is the ultimate solution for organizing tools and gear in a heavy-duty design. Featuring a zippered main compartment, it includes 8 interior tool pocket organizers and 2 exterior snap button pockets, making it easy to arrange and access essential items. Constructed from heavyweight cotton canvas, this bag ensures durability for constant use, while the hard bottom insert provides added support for carrying heavy tools. With overall measurements of 11 inches by 7 inches by 6 inches, it is portable enough for any work environment, whether in the workshop, garage, car, or motorcycle saddlebag. This tool bag is a must-have for professionals in various trades, including mechanics, plumbers, electricians, and carpenters, keeping tools clean and dry in demanding conditions. Fox Outdoor Mechanics Tool Bag. The Fox Outdoor Products Jumbo Mechanics Tool Bag is designed for efficient organization and easy access to your tools. This durable bag features a water-resistant cotton material and includes 2 snap accessory compartments for storing smaller items securely. Its hard fiber bottom ensures stability and strength, allowing you to load the bag with heavy tools without compromising durability. With ample space and an easy-to-carry design, this tool bag is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you are a mechanic, carpenter, or electrician, this versatile bag offers the organization and portability needed for any job, making it a reliable companion for your projects. Staol Mechanics Tool Bag. The Staol Mechanics Tool Bag is crafted from thickened canvas, ensuring your tools remain organized and accessible for carpentry and repair work. Designed to withstand heavy use, this bag features a single shoulder strap for easy carrying, making it suitable for electricians, carpenters, and any enthusiast needing tool organization. It is spacious enough to meet the needs of various projects, from construction sites to workshops. This essential bag keeps tools within reach and neatly organized, whether you are repairing electrical systems or building furniture. Its durable design provides long-lasting performance, making it a smart investment for anyone serious about their craft. YZZLZH Mechanics Tool Bag. The YZZLZH Mechanics Tool Bag is constructed from rugged Oxford cloth, offering exceptional protection and organization for your tools. This compact and easy-to-carry bag can be folded to occupy minimal space, making it ideal for transportation and storage. With multiple pockets available, 6, 8, 10, or 25, this heavy-duty roll-up wrench is perfect for contractors, carpenters, repairmen, plumbers, and electricians. The versatile design allows you to keep your tools organized and easily accessible during jobs, ensuring that you have what you need right at your fingertips. This tool roll is a practical choice for anyone in need of efficient tool management while on the go. Outro. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect tool bag for mechanics. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.